Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn about a super cool word, classifying. Let's say it together, classifying. This is something we actually do every day without even thinking about it. Let's find out more. Classifying means putting things into groups based on how they're similar. For example, we could put all the toys in one group, all the books in another, and the fruit in another. It makes things easy to find. We classify things to keep them organized. Imagine if all your toys, books, and snacks were mixed up in one big pile. It would be hard to find what you need. By putting similar things together, we keep things tidy and easy to find. We can classify animals too. For example, we could put all the animals that fly like birds into one group. Fish that swim go into another group, and animals that live on land go into a third group. Each group has animals that are similar in some way. Let's play a quick game. Here are some things you might use at school. Can you help me classify them? We could put all the coloring things like crayons and markers in one group and pencils and erasers in another group. What other ways could we classify them? When we classify things, it makes it easier to find what we need. Like if you're looking for a crayon, you'd know to go to the art supplies. Classifying helps us save time and stay organized. To sum up, classifying means putting things in groups based on how they're similar. We can classify all kinds of things: toys, animals, school supplies, you name it. Thanks for learning about classifying with me. Do you have any questions or ideas for other things we could classify?